at Black Info Net. I'm Doug Davis on your home for 24/7 news. San Francisco EIN.
That's nice.
From police brutality to COVID-19 to voter suppression, the NAACP is working to disrupt inequality and accelerate change in our communities. Find out how you can get involved at NAACP.org.
The power of information, keeping you up to date on the Black Information Network. The Bay Area's EIN.
Ernest Bynum Jr. was a prominent figure in Zanesville, Ohio, where he was nicknamed Fireman Ernie. Ernest served in the United States Air Force before moving back to Zanesville and joining the local fire department. During his time as Fireman Ernie, he became a fire arson investigator, an Ohio State Fire Safety Instructor, and the International Association of Firefighters Local 88 President of the Zanesville Fire Department. An entrepreneur with Bynum Trucking and Computer Lifeline Inc. He was a mentor to many young men and women, and after retiring from the fire department in 1993, he served as the city's Parks and Recreation Director for 20 years. He also continued to serve his community through multiple organizations and boards. Ernest Bynum Jr. died on January 2nd, but not without leaving behind a legacy as a trailblazer and a key figure in Zanesville's history. And that's a fact. I'm Frankie Darcel on the Black Information Network.
Our news, wherever you are. Tell your smart device to play the Black Information Network station on iHeartRadio. Elevating voices. We're here to watch our DA's back.
And the stories that matter to our community. Rolling Fork, Mississippi is devastated. A tornado took it all.
If it's important to us,
UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres marking International Day to remember the victims and the transatlantic slave trade. You'll hear about it
on the Black Information Network.
the Bay Area's BIN 910 and on the iHeartRadio app.
Healthy people, a better world. That means all people, regardless of ethnicity, politics, religion, or ability to pay. Improving their lives is Direct Relief's mission.
Through the Fund for Health Equity, Direct Relief is funding on-the-ground organizations addressing health inequities. And since 2021, Direct Relief has granted more than $42.5 million to 149 different organizations across the United States.
Imagine a world with healthy people in every area code. One by one, there's